How's it going, everybody? This is Skoda Bass coming at you live from YouTube. Alright, if you're here, your monitor is turning black as you alt-tab out of your game. And perhaps even back into your game. It's lagging, it's taking too long. I'm going to get straight to it and tell you how to fix this. So what you're going to want to do is go to your settings. Alright, go to display. Whoop. Display settings. I'm going to have to block that out. All right, but anyways, and then you're going to go to display settings. Make sure your resolution is where it needs to be. Put it on the resolution that your monitor can handle. Don't skimp it. Don't overdo it. Put it exactly where it belongs. Usually the recommended will be good. If not, set it to what your monitor is. After that, go to your advanced display. This is where you'll find refresh rate. As long as you can find your refresh rate on your system, you gotta put it to the refresh rate that your monitor can handle. Yours probably started off with 60 hertz. You might need to put it to 120 or 165 or 240 or 360 and so on and so forth. And make sure you put it on the highest one your monitor can handle, because that's what your monitor is built for. Otherwise, you may have some problems with compatibility issues and so on and so forth. For a lot of you, that's all that you needed. You're done. You're good. There's nothing more. You can play your games. You can all tab out. You are happy. Like and subscribe. We're good. Now, for the rest of us, come follow me. We're going to leave this place and we're going to go to another place. And that is your game. So I'm going to use Civilization 5 as my example because this is the game that I use to fix it myself. A lot of these fixes I've learned myself, just trial and error and looking on YouTube. It always seems like they give you like increments of pieces that you need instead of just flat out telling you what to do, right? It's so annoying. I'm going to try to tell you and I'm going to try to save you, okay? But no guarantees because it may not solve your problem, but most likely it will. If this doesn't solve your problem, you probably have malware or some other deeper rooted issue. And that will require, either like a factory reset, or you might have a driver issue, which then you would have to troubleshoot that. But for now, we're going to go to options, go to your video options in your game. You're going to see screen resolution. You might see refresh rate too. Make sure they're matching to what your monitor can handle, the best that your monitor can handle. So that way it's working as fast as possible. If that doesn't work, okay, if you're still not doing good, if you're like me, you still have an issue, that's where this comes in. All you got to do, this was on. All you got to do is turn it off, and you should be okay now. Now, this is VSync. There's VSync, there's G-Sync, and there's FreeSync. FreeSync is an AMD sync for monitors that's compatible with AMD. And then there's G-Sync, which is for monitors, which is compatible for NVIDIA. And then V-Sync is kind of like an in-between. It's kind of like an all-for-one type of deal. It kind of is more adaptive. However, my monitor is FreeSync and my GPU is NVIDIA. So those aren't quite compatible. So I can't turn this sync on, because it kind of gets in the way of those two, and it makes it a little faulty, which was the issue with me. That might be your issue, and that might be all you need. You might have a game that says G-Sync or FreeSync. It's the same thing. Just turn it off, and you should be good. And that will help you Alt-Tab right into your other windows. It's not going to be fast right here because for some reason OBS doesn't like instantaneously show you my alt tab, but it's tabbing instantaneously. Now, to get that's how you get instant tab going out of your game. Now, when you want to tab back into your game, it's still slow. What you want to do is you want to go to your monitor settings. I can't show you I will show you my monitor settings, but I'm going to do it with a different video and just kind of implant it in this video. But basically what you want to do is go on your menu on your monitor, search for gaming or video, or refresh rate or anything like that, any of those types of settings, it'll be most likely the same thing. Go to those, go to your, either it'll say FreeSync, VSync, or G-Sync. Turn that off. Now, when that's turned off, you should be able to not only get out of your game quickly with Alt-Tab, but you'll be able to tab right back into it. Not quite as fast because it needs to load. It takes up more resources to get to the game than it does to leave the game. So, but it'll be super fast. It'll be way faster than what you're dealing with now. I promise you. As long as you have the same situation that I have. And then that's it. That's all you have to do. You're fixed. So get rid of the sync on the game. Get rid of the sync on your monitor. Fix your screen resolution. Fix your hertz. And you should be A-okay. If you have a problem still, if your problem persists even after these steps, then I'm going to have to assume that you have some sort of malware problem, or you have a problem with your driver. You may need to either update your driver, roll back on your driver, or, you know, somehow troubleshoot with your drivers. So yeah, that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this helped you out. I'm Skoda Based, and this is the end. Peace out.